Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and I'm here at the Milwaukee headquarters with Ellie from Milwaukee. And we're going to talk about mechanics tools, something, Ellie, you may not know about me, but I am the son of a mechanic. So I spent a childhood and a lifetime using tools like this, and Milwaukee really has quite the proposition when it comes to these types of tools.
So about 7 years ago, we got into the mechanics hand tool space. In some of our initial products, we spent hours and hours out talking to people using them, doing research, and one of the biggest things we noticed was pretty much every socket that we saw looked the exact same. So if you take a look at our ratchet and socket sets, one of our initial innovations in the line was actually having flat sides on the socket here. So if you think about when a mechanic is working, a lot of times they're setting their tools on uneven surfaces or spaces. So with your classic round socket, you would see it roll right away as the people were working. With the flat sides, it actually does not roll, so you don't lose your sockets, you don't have to spend extra money on sockets, kind of a win-win for the users.
I love that. And then even if you have to grab the socket and kind of loosen something or tighten and your hands are oily, you've got something to grip on, which is really kind of a nice added benefit. Now, you've got different sizes and kits available and different offerings, I assume, both in standard and metric sizes.
Yeah, so since that launch about 7 years ago, we've expanded our offering. We have 1/4-inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2-inch drive with a different range of assortments as well. So we have higher piece count sets with both ratchets and sockets, and then smaller socket sets as well, depending on what you already have for your tool collection or if you need higher piece count or lower piece count.
Can we talk a little bit about wrenches? Because along with having really good sockets and extensions and accessories to go with it, wrenches are a key component in that as well.
Yes, so another innovation that we pride ourselves on here, on all of our combination wrenches and the open end, we have a max bite feature. So if you look at the inside of the open end on the combination wrench, there are ridges which allow users to get up to 25% more torque when they're using this wrench. You're not stripping nuts or bolts and you're not sliding off the fastener that you're trying to tighten.
And you also make a ratcheting wrench as well, is that correct?
Yes, so we have ratcheting wrenches here. We have 144 teeth and 2.5 degrees of arc swing. So when you're trying to work in a super tight space, if you have a higher arc swing, you have to move the wrench that much more to engage the fastener. With our low arc swing, you can actually move the wrench just a little bit, since they're often working in tight spaces, in order to loosen or tighten.
And then the head even pivots as well, right? Depending on where you need to use the angle of that tool.
Yeah, exactly. We actually recently launched flex head wrenches too. So we do have the fixed head for sale, and then flex head is a newer addition to our lineup.
You are also very proud, as you should be, of your pack-out system, which is a storage solution that Milwaukee manufactures. These sets that are in these cases are designed to fit in that, like this case we see right here, correct?
Yeah, so we have two sort of different types of storage. We have our pack-out sets that are designed with trays that you can take out, but you can also slide it on your pack-out stack in order to roll it around if you have a rolling pack-out. And then this is a separate set. If you're not in the pack-out system, you can just buy this independently. It comes with a carrying case for those mobile users, and then you can also take the tray out and put it in steel storage or your toolbox as well.
Good looking stuff. Thank you so much. If you'd like more information, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store.